Hi guys, welcome back to Target Developers. My name is Shivam Sahu. I am an experienced Angular front-end developer. We have IT software projects available in below technologies. If you need IT software project, WhatsApp me 975 2245 608. And also you can hire me for project freelance. So guys, in this part of video we will see in Angular 17 how we can send simple object in the form of JSON format from front-end side to back-end. Firstly, we need to understand that how we can make simple object in TypeScript file. So guys, we will open TypeScript file and make my data object with open and close curly braces. Under this, we defined name, qualification, technology. So in this way, we can create simple object guys. Here you can see for this inside ng-on-init function, we are using JSON.stringify method. Under this method, we are passing my data object which were created earlier. And also you can see we are taking holding variable named as stringify data. Now we will console the result you can see on the screen. You can also observe here named has double quoted and one of also has double quoted. So we have successfully converted object to a JSON object format guys. Now guys, if there's a case where we have JSON object and we need to convert to simple object, then what we will do guys? So in this case, we will use JSON.parse. Now let's see how we can achieve this. You observe here stringify data variable holding JSON object. So we will write JSON.parse function passing stringify data. Now we will console the output guys. You can see on the screen we have successfully converted JSON object to simple object. In this part of video, we will see that during development of Angular projects, sometimes we try to print object in HTML file, but we observe that object is printing in the form of object. You can see on the screen. So how we can unwrap this in HTML template? So here we will use new Angular concept that is JSON file. So now let's see how we can achieve this. Open TypeScript file, you can see we have simple object named as myData. Now this myData try to print in HTML template. So we will use pre-tag here under this we use interpolation and type myData JSON pipe. Here we have to note one thing. For using JSON pipe you need to import common module. So guys, we have successfully unwrapped object using JSON pipe. You can see output on the screen.